we decompose this function. First step, we should factor this denominator. Like we do this. 1 times 1 is 1 here, and here. 2 times 5 is 10. And 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 times 5 is 7. So, but it's negative, so here, okay. So here should be fact x minus 2, x minus 5. Okay. And this part be factor like this form. So we write okay, now we decide what value A, what value is B. Okay, we also can write form, this rewrite here. Okay, this is equal here, same with here, and here, same with here. So here, we mix this denominator together. So here, A times x minus 5, and plus B here. So we numerator denominator at the same time. We have time x minus 2. So for numerator also time x minus 2. Okay, now we use it here. Denominator is the same, so numerator also should be same. Equal 7x minus 23 equal here. Okay, here. So I follow you. AX, BX is equal A plus B X and 5A 2B. Okay, here. So we watch. Here the X coefficient. Here is a constant, so it means coefficient is same. A plus B is 7, and negative 5A minus 2B is equal negative 23. We solve this. Here, place. Okay, here. A plus B equal 7. Okay, so we time negative 1. So here 5A plus 2B is equal 23. So now we solve this equation. So 2A plus 2b equal 14. Okay. Okay, now we use this called one part, two part, part B, part 2 minus part A. So we get answer for A. We can get A. $23 equal 9. Yep. Equal 9. So A equals 3. So we get B. A equal 3. Now B equal 4. Okay. Then we substitute this A and B to here. Equal A3, B4. Plus this is solution. This part is solution. So it means this part is our answer. So now we do other question, this one. So same, first step, factor. This 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. So here negative 1. Okay. So here should be right. 1 times negative 1 plus 1 times 2 is negative 1. 1 times 2. So okay, here we rewrite this. So this part equal, then we write here. Okay, write this form. Then we get A and B. So make same denominator. So here A times x minus 3 plus B x minus 3. So we time numerator denominator x plus 2. Okay. So then I FOIL. Okay, so this constant together. Okay, so now a plus b coefficient negative 3. So here negative 3a plus 2b equal 29. Okay, so time at this part we called part 1, part 2. Okay, part 1 here, both sides we time 2 to cancel b. So we make part 1, part 2, part 1 minus part 2. So